Welcome to tropical North Queensland. We're gonna check out jungles, waterfalls, dreamy little villages, and even a bit of the Outback. And we're gonna have another perspective of the Great Barrier Reef. The best and probably also cheapest way to get around Queensland is a rental car. Great stops along the way are Babinda Boulders, and Josephine Falls. Gorgeous Mission Beach is your gateway to the Great Barrier Reef. Dive into Queensland's sea life. And redefine your idea of a deserted island. But then it's time to discover the rainforest.
Welcome to the Mamu Skywalk.
On this tropical rainforest walkway, you're really high up. It's right in the Wooroonooran National Park. Now try to pronounce that. Make sure you stop in dreamy little towns like Ravenshoe. A good 4 hours drive from Cairns, you arrive at the Undara experience. This place is perfect for experiencing the Outback, for watching kangaroos and old crater formations.
And that's over near the township of Hindway.
Another great activity in this area is a tour through the lava tubes. The best about this place is that you get to sleep in old train carriages. What we have here is the so-called bush brekkie. And with the laughter of the hilarious Kookaburra, I'm saying goodbye, Queensland.